Happy morning, children. Today we will discuss presentation of data. Pictorial and graphical presentation, they are the attractive methods of data interpretation. Now, attractive method means what? Means when you are looking at the pictures, you feel so nice. Now, you have been given this. I was going through your textbook. See, if you are seeing it like this is called as, this is also data. It's given in tabular form. The table is being drawn, all this. And now the same information, if you are drawing it like this is called as graphical presentation. See, in your 6th standard, you have drawn bar diagram. See, this is bar diagram. Here, bar diagram. So when you are looking at the picture, how nice you are feeling it, right? See here, this pictures and this also. All bar diagram you all have done in 6th standard. See, now I know. Every bar in the graph should be of equal width. The distance between any two adjacent bars should be equal. All bars should be of appropriate height. See, standard 6th. So, here it's given to you. Data presentation in tabular form. So, ungrouped data, we have done it. And grouped data means when we were taking classes, it is called as grouped data. So, tabular form we have completed. Now, pictorial representation, just now I showed you all bar diagram you have done. And pie diagram is given in your textbook, but this portion is deleted in the syllabus for 9th standard. In 25% portion is deleted, but pie diagram is there, a very nice presentation of data. Then you have studied simple, joint, divided, percentage bar diagram. All this has been covered in 8th standard. You did joint bar diagram. In 9th standard is divided bar diagram, simple bar diagram in 7th standard. Now in graphical method, line graph and histogram and frequency polygon. So this you have not done. Now histogram and frequency polygon we will discuss in detail in these topics. The coming topics will be histogram and frequency polygon. Now see here, just now we said pictorial presentation of data. See, as COVID fuels personal vehicle use, petrol demand in September higher than 2019. See here, they have given it to you, month-wise they have given in this. See how it looks colorful, and you can quickly check also in which month the petrol and petrol as well as diesel they have given for the month of February, March, August and September. So the data, this is all data, all this course. So how it is represented pictorially. Now see this report. Is COVID finally losing steam in India? It's given last week. It seemed India would become the first country to record 1 lakh COVID cases a day. By September 17, the daily average of cases had risen to 93,199. Now see here, they have given state-wise also, and foreign countries how they are doing, that also they have given. See here, see Brazil they are showing not alone on downward slope. See, 5 of the 10 worst affected countries, India, Brazil, Colombia, Mexico and South Africa, are now showing a steady decline in cases. In Brazil, daily cases are down to 28,902 from a peak. Now see here, this is a line graph. It's given here, graphical method, line graph. So this is the example of it. See, Brazil, steady increase, then there was a peak here, now there is decline. And graph is in down, this is called as downward slope. In geometry you will learn about slope and all. See here, Again, Colombia, there is a decline. Mexico, there was steady increase, then there was peak, now there is decline. So how the graph, just by looking at it, if you are able to interpret it, it becomes much easier. See now, South Africa, steady increase, then there was a peak, many number of cases, and then slowly the cases came down. See, like this. Now in Spain also. Now, in Spain, what is happening? Here there was a peak, then downward, then again there is a peak. Right? Means the number of cases are rising in Spain. Okay. Now here if you see, here there was a peak, then there was downward slope, then up. Here again there is a peak. Now their number of cases are declining. So like this, state-wise also it's given here. Maharashtra, see, steady increase, then there was again increase, here peak, and now the cases are declining. Like that it means. See, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar. See, then there is a decline in number of cases. But Maharashtra, if you see, in the month of September, slowly it started declining, right? Now they are telling in other states, they are performing worst compared to Maharashtra now. Haryana, then Punjab, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. So this is the example of line graph. So by seeing at the graph, if you understand the concept, quickly you can interpret how the states are performing. And Prime Minister can also take a note of it. He takes meetings of all the chief ministers from different states. Right? Then they give report and all. That all happens. See how it's given. Multiple peaks in states. So now I showed you all, no, where there are two peaks. Then especially countries I had to show you all. Then 6 states have not peaked. So good news elsewhere. The 5 worst hit states, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Uttar Pradesh, have all slowed down in the past week. Slowed down. So I showed you all like this. Like so it is. So this all you should know. This is general information as a student. You should know why we are learning graph. Okay. Now here histogram and frequency polygon, that in detail we are going to learn how to draw histogram and how to draw frequency polygon.